Welcome back to my channel, and unfortunately today is a rainy day, but I know it's not ideal, yet we are going to have fun and do our best today because we're only here for a few days, and even when days don't turn out that well, you should still go out and try and enjoy the experience. After parking the car, we headed inside to see El Puente de Dios, also known as the Bridge of God. Life jackets are included with the entrance fee, and you can walk down to get to the water or you can jump in. Keep in mind the current is very strong because of the waterfall, so if you're not a great swimmer, hold on to the ropes as you're going around. You can also swim through a small open cave that I'm going to show right now, and it looks really cool and the water looks so blue. And it's an opening to this other side where there is less people, and you can also jump from rocks more if you want.
Tres.
The next place we ended up going to were the Cascadas de Tamasopo, also known as Tamasopo Water Park and Waterfalls, and it was definitely storming now. But this did not stop us from exploring and even swimming next to the waterfalls. Oh my gosh. I can't move. Why are you guys doing this? I can't. We left shortly after just because we were all really cold. The weather was not in our favor. All in all, we had a good time and the park is really cool. You can jump from various different locations and there's just so many obstacle courses. So I wish I could stay there longer on a sunny day. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for the next day because we're going to be seeing more waterfalls.